Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 18 divided by 2 over 3 multiplied by 4. Now we sort it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we sort parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we sort from left to right, and addition or subtraction we sort from left to right. Now we have one division and one multiplication. So first, according to the rule, addition or division we sort from left to right. Now in left side we have division. So first we sort division. Now we add solve by the rules of KCF. K means keep as fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means split the second fraction. So they give us 18 over 1 in division change to multiplication, and flip the second fraction 3 over 2 multiplied by 4. So they give us 18 times 3, they give us 54, or 2, 1 times 2, they give us 2 multiplied by 4, and 2 1s are 2, and 2 27s are 54. So 27 multiplied by 4, so they give us 108. So the final answer is 108. Thanks for watching.